I've been in the kitchen and bath industry for almost 20 years, and these are some more things that I see in hotel bathrooms. So you see that sconce right there? You see how it is turned upside down? Sometimes I wonder why they turn it upside down, because remember, if you have a sconce that can go upside down, then you can flip it over and turn it right side up. Now there's some pros and cons to this. One, you don't have the light bulb right here in your face if you turn it the other way, but it is kind of a dust catcher if you turn it the other way. And in this case, this bathroom doesn't have any other lighting. That's the only source of the lighting right there. So having it be more direct is actually beneficial. If you want to see what you're doing when you're shaving or applying makeup and that kind of thing. Also, important side note, not every sconce can be flipped upside down like this. So you want to make sure that if that lampshade is locked in place, you're good to go. You can flip it. You can install it either way.